Please make sure the package can easily fit through your doorway and elevator to ensure a smooth delivery. 2 people are required to carry this product. No jumping or climbing on the product. Open the box where you want to install the product. Keep small children or pets away during installation. Do not open with a sharp object. Do not modify, disassemble product. Check that no parts are missing. Please refrain from sharing the electrical power source with large appliances. Use on flat flooring. Do not throw away the fuse. Do not lift the footrest up to move the product. Turn off when not in use. The ONEW Massage Bed consists of 1 box. Due to the risk of injury, please wear gloves. It is recommended that 2 or more people install the product. Carefully remove the straps of the box using scissors. Remove internal packaging. Check the components of ONEW located on the internal packaging. Remove internal packaging. Carefully remove the vinyl. Hold the bottom of the unit to move the product to your desired location. Do not grab the massage bed by the footrest as you might drop it. Check the accessories of ONEW. Use double-sided Velcro of the pocket to stick the pocket on the main unit. Lift the pad on the bed part and attach it to the Velcro with the pocket facing outward. Unzip the center cover fabric to insert the pillow. Use the handle of the pillow to slide into the fabric. Insert the pillow between the fabric. Check the location of the remote control cable. Connect the cable and remote control by aligning the small tooth on each side. Twist it in clockwise motions to secure it. Find the power cable from the product accessories. Find the location of the power port at the bottom of the bed. Connect the opposite side of the power cord white to the power port. Press the power button to check the product is working properly. You are all set now.